Alright, y'all, we on that highway, big 50 shootout. We got Brian, we got Benji. Benji, tell him what you was just doing back there.
Oh, I was just putting a new motor in it. Mine shit the bed.
On the fly. On the fly. We in Connecticut on the way. Big 50 shootout. Y'all stay tuned. Alright, we got Benji out here. Benji, tell the people where we at today.
Well, right now I'm about to. Okay. First of all, my bad. It's a good idea. We're in Connecticut today. Building up this car on the way over.
Yep. So hopefully,
we'll make it.
Yeah, we'll make it. Y'all see what's going on here. You know, got Jen out here. Got Maddie out here. Got my boy out here. Yeah, Julio, you see him? We got some people down there setting up. Still early in the morning. We got some people down there setting up. Show y'all how it look early in the morning right now. We'll take a little walk around, get some of these people, get some faces and see what's going on out here. Yeah, what's going on, my brother? Where you from?
What's up, man?
How you doing?
American.
Drizzy.
What's up, Will?
All right, where you from?
American.
Okay, Maryland?
American.
Okay, Maryland. Okay. Thanks. Nice coming.
First time drag race.
Oh, for real? Okay. That's what it's all about, man. Enjoy the experience. Yes, that's what it's all about.
Thank you.
Yeah, for sure. People out here. Oh, I remember these guys. They gave me a burger last time. Oh, yes. This is my... How y'all doing?
What's going on?
Okay, y'all came out to take the pot today, huh? All right, where y'all representing?
Connecticut.
Connecticut.
Yeah, Sullivan.
All right, hold it down, y'all. Hold it down. Go up to the starting line over here. What's going on, bro? Good to see you. Look at little man, he chilling on the phone. You see? Check him out. He ain't no pressure today. No pressure. Check my boy out back there. Got that Superman out here. Got Miguel working, you know, doing his thing. Shout out to Miguel, man. Let me show y'all what this man did. We tried to get a tree, and look what he did. I ain't asked for this or nothing. That's just how good people roll. That's just how good people roll. Especially, all of them get it. All of them get it. Yeah, y'all see how he got it set up? Yeah, we got it. Oh yeah, we got the raffle. Check the trophy out. We got the big 50. We got the missus just turned.
Yes.
Turned 50.
Yes,
So we did the big. She did the big 50. That is great, man. I really like that. And we got the raffle right here going. Winner going home with 1,800 and a trophy. Second place going with 450. Jay's RC shop. Y'all shout out to Miguel, man. Yeah, how y'all guys doing, man? All right. Yeah, time to test now. We got to get. Yeah, we got to get down there.
Don't forget to get tires from yesterday.
Yeah.
Hey.
Baby, yeah.
What's the light?
No, y esto aquí es la bruja, vaya. Se manda el cielo y corrió. Y partió la transmisión. Wasn't in all the way. Make sure y'all using Simple Green or WD-40. If I see any prep.
What's the light?
Right lane 247, left lane 271.
What's the light?
Yeah, you get it here.
That carpet goes away.
What's going on, Papa? Good to see you out here, man. Yeah.
Good?
Yeah.
Rock the light.
There you go, Kev.
Left lane 2-3, right lane 2-5.
2-5.
Rock the light. Ready? Rock the light.
A little too hot. The first 4 feet. Smoke the tires, sir.
Watch the light.
I'm spinning too much. What's going on, bro? Good to see you.
Very good.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take mine out again. Watch the light.
That girl is a beast. Nice
Out.
save. Nice save.
Right lane 2-5, left lane 2-6.
I was spun. Hey, you said it's your first time?
Yeah, that's the first time.
Fire! Fuck!
El boli dijo, no tengo que quitar el boli para cortarla. Esto va a ser una guerrilla del diablo.
He ain't even move. He knew it. Hey, let me get this car as a thumbnail.
Gotta coach 5.
It's all good. It's all good. Did your thing, man.
Right lane 262, left lane 269. Left lane 24, right lane 26. Left lane 69 miles an hour.
You got a prize for that? You got a prize for mile an hour? Yeah, you guys.
Right lane 252, left lane 257. Right lane 65 mile an hour, left lane.
Slipper clutch slipping a lot.
Right lane 26.
Yeah, it's slipping. I crossed the beam. What I did?
3-4. I had to. I just had to.
Yeah. Yeah, you recorded? You making sure you get footage?
No, I'm gonna do one first.
Right lane 2-4, left lane 3-0.
Damn, nobody breaking that 2-4 besides him. He's hitting that 2-2. Look at him patiently.
Left lane 53.
He nice. He comfortable over there hitting 2-2s and shit.
Right Right lane 24, left lane 27. Right lane 66, left lane 65.
Hey, Mr. B, what's the bet?
That right now.
Watch the tree.
To make it, that's all.
Go check the middle ramp again. Right lane 24. 240.
Got Miguel over here. Shout out to y'all, man. Appreciate y'all for having us.
Great event.
Oh yeah. You know what I'm saying? That's my shit right there. I don't listen to all that rap shit. Yeah. Yeah, shout out to Miguel. You see the tree thing? People donating, man. Much love. Nah, that was him. Yeah. The little man, he waiting. He been waiting to line up next to me. He ready, huh?
Watch the light.
I was like,
Yeah. Take it easy on me.
Watch the lights.
Ha! He said, yeah, alright. It's late. It was late. I got extra heat up for you, man. Oh yeah. You taking a pot home, right?
Watch the light.
Yeah, I still got you.
Hey, listen to that. That what I listen to. Grown people shit. You know what I'm saying? What him say? Okay. Yeah. Yeah, you too. Don't block my shit now.
Right on.
That flame.
Left lane 269, right lane 274. Left lane 258, right lane 276.